Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here at Harvest Caye Belize, Norwegian's private cruise ship island, and today we're going to give you a walking tour of Harvest Caye. We'll check out some of the pools, the beaches, and amenities available here at Harvest Caye. So let's go ahead and dive right into this walking tour. So we just came through the main gate here into Harvest Caye, and the first thing you're going to see off to the left is restrooms. So they're conveniently located here right by the entrance if you do need them. And off to the right here, you'll see the information booth, the parasail check-in and tickets, the beach villa check-in, as well as the wave runner check-in off to the right in that big building. And they've got this really cool British telephone booth here as well. So fun little spot to take a photo. You can see that Harvest Caye is extremely well manicured. It's beautiful here with all the trees, beautiful palm trees, the stone walkways, benches. It's just a beautiful place to hang out. There's lots of signage so you know exactly where you're going. So we'll check out the beach and the pools, all that in a little bit. Now the first area that you're going to come across is the main shopping area. So there's quite a few stores here for you to check out. And the first one is Moho Chocolate Factory. Grab some chocolate bars and souvenirs. Off to the left is the Harvest Caye official gift shop. Belizean collection. Little booths here with purses and more souvenirs. Now conveniently they were selling cold beverages right here before you head down to the pool, so if you want some drinks, they've got you covered right there. And down that way is the beautiful pools. We'll come back here in a couple minutes to check those out, but we'll turn around and head across over to the marina and the mainland tours. Now they've got tour sales available here. If you don't have one booked already, come talk to them here. They've got a beverage cart here if you want to purchase some drinks again. And check out this palm tree off to the right. How cool is that? Another covered bench. Now if we hang it right here, we can look out into the marina area where some of the excursion boats are. As well as you can see the wave runners across the way there. We'll turn around. Off to the left there is the jade shop. So if you're looking to purchase some jade during your visit here, that's off to the left. And they've got some more souvenir shops here, t-shirts, that sort of thing. And if you're looking to grab a photo with the Belize sign, this is where it's located. We'll head back in the other direction. And we'll jump ahead down to the marina there. Again, watch your head if you're tall. More shopping kind of over on the other side there. Jewelry, silver. Beautiful kind of park area here in the middle. Tropical trinkets. The Toucan Cafe, so if you're looking for coffees or snacks. And it looks like they serve Starbucks coffee there. Down at the end there is the Mahogany Grill. If you want to grab some food. You can see there's quite a bit of shade here, and they do have a stage here in the middle as well, so they can put on performances or different activities here. The Jungle Gift Shop and Duty Free Shop. Now we call this place Harvest Caye, and I know it's spelt Harvest Caye. A lot of people call it Harvest Caye, some call it Harvest Caye. Let us know in the comments what you call it, Harvest Caye or Harvest Caye. We like Harvest Caye. You've got ice cream there if you want to pick some of that up. And this really cool wooden iguana, carved wooden iguana, great spot for photos. We'll continue along here. Short stubby palm tree. I don't know if palm trees can be cute, but that one was cute. So down there off to the left is where you're going to find the main beach. You can go past all the shopping and straight through, bypassing all the pools to get to the beach. We'll be checking that out in a little bit. But I do want to turn around here and take you through the wildlife experience. This is a complimentary area on the island, so you can walk right through here and check out all the mist. It's really nice in here on those hot days. Really neat spot to visit. Beautiful shrubs and trees. The butterfly exhibit with owl and blue morpho butterflies. And then across the way here is the boa constrictor exhibit. A couple of boas in there, and they're actually pretty big. Continue up the path. You can learn about the different birds and vegetation in this area. And then in the hut here on the left is the keel-billed toucan. Let's see if we can find him. Oh, he's right at the back, at the bottom behind the rock there. Pretty small. Then up here in this exhibit is the scarlet macaw. Hey buddy, how's it going up there? And then we'll continue out of this area on the back side, so you can access it from both ends. Really nice woodwork with all the mist again here. So if we hang our right here, it would take us back to the shopping. Our first look at the lighthouse up there, that's where the zip lines come down from. So we'll be checking out the main beach area off to the right in a little bit after we go past the pool. We're gonna head on down here towards the lagoon. And this is where you're gonna find the lagoon rentals. So if you're looking to rent things like kayaks, paddle boards, pedal boats, that sort of thing, you can do that up here in the hut on the left. A little bit of information on animals you might see, as well as they've got lockers here as well. So if you're looking to rent a locker for the day, you can do that here at Lagoon Rentals. All the rentals out there. And there's actually loungers down the beach on this side as well. And of course the lighthouse down there. So we're going to turn around and zoom all the way down to the pool area, past the wildlife experience here on the right and all the shopping, and we'll head back down where we kind of stopped earlier. Now, if you're still watching, you're probably enjoying this video or it's giving you some value. If you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it would really help us in growing this channel so we can bring you more content like what you're watching today. I'll just walk down to the pool here while you do that. Thank you so much, it's much appreciated. Now the complimentary pool here at Harvest Caye is absolutely beautiful. You've got the loungers with the umbrellas. Off to the right here, if you've rented a cabana, that's where the cabana rental check-in is, way down there. There's some lockers down there. You've got Absolute Belize here if you'd like to buy some beverages. And there's the one half of the pool there. There's steps going down. More loungers and umbrellas, and these were free to use. Little islands with the palm trees. Then there's a little bridge over the middle of the pool right here, so you can swim under the bridge. Again, little islands with seating and the palm trees. Down at the end is the swim up bar. Lifeguard on duty, and then over on this side, another island, and then a walk-in area down there if you don't want to take the steps. This was a beautiful pool. It was nice and warm during our visit. And you can see over on this side as well, there's a ton of loungers and umbrellas. So we can split off here. If we go to the left, that'll take us towards the beach, and we can go to the right here as well. You can see the cabanas back there at the back. And then another Absolute Belize here if you want to get beverages. And we'll head on down this way towards the beach as well. Showers if you want to rinse off. And then there's kind of a wooden boardwalk that goes all the way down the beach here. There's so many loungers down here. Palm trees, you can see the zip liner going by all the way from the lighthouse down there. And even if you don't want to lounge, it's a great place to come for a walk and enjoy the views. Let's head down and check out the beach. The sand was nice, not too many rocks. And a huge area here for swimming with lifeguards on duty. All the way from here, way down to the other end. And we'll head back out to the boardwalk here. They've really made Harvest Caye an oasis with the way they've done the beach and the boardwalk and all of the palm trees. You can rent these clamshells here as well if you are looking for some shade. Another shower off to the left and a foot wash there, so it's nice when you come off the beach, you can just wash your feet. And there's one of those clamshells that's set up for rent. Over here we've got the Harvest Caye Bar and Grill, and that's also where the pool swim up bar is. All the outdoor seating there. Then we've got sipping Bacardi here on the right, so more beverages. Selling ice cold drinks from the cart. We've got the first aid station here. And there's also lockers on the left here as well. So if you're wanting lockers down here at the beach, you can rent them here. They've got different rentals as well available in the booth there. And they've got a kids splash pad here as well, so if you've got little ones, they want a small slide just to play in the water, that's available as well. Nice little touch. Another zip liner going by down there. And there's restrooms available here right by the beach as well, so that's really handy. And off in the distance there, that was the Lagoon rental. So we kind of came out on the other side and now we're doing the beach side. There's ping pong tables out here. So this was really nice. The paddles were on the side. You could play ping pong. And as you can see, this wooden boardwalk goes a long way down here. We've got the Flight House Bar and Grill. So another place to come for lunch. Grab some beverages again from there. Another zip liner going by. Outdoor picnic tables. It felt like the chairs went on forever. There was so many of them. And it did get busier down at the beach by the pool area, so we just came down to this end and it was nice and quiet during our visit. Some volleyball out on the beach there. And there's the Flight House over there at the lighthouse. So if you are doing the zip line, the Superman style comes off of this side, like that. And then the traditional zip line goes off the other side towards the direction we're walking. You can kind of see the cables running off there. There goes someone right there. For the traditional style of zip lining. And I do appreciate they put these umbrellas over the park benches as well. Another ping pong table. And we're getting pretty close to the end of the loungers here, but they're still swimming beyond this, so you can come down here. There's still another restaurant and bar down here as well. Looks like a comfy hammock. So this area right here is for beach villa guests only. So if you've got a beach villa, that looks really nice. That's why it's roped off. And then there's some more loungers over here. Another lifeguard right at the end. And then down here on the left, we've got Manta Ray's Bar and Grill. Another spot for lunch and some drinks. Looks a little quieter than the other grill further down. And if you like chess, they've got a jumbo chessboard out here as well for you. Another lifeguard down here at the end. And then behind the ropes here, this is the private beach for more villas, cabanas type of thing. And we'll head back this way. So the building there in the middle, that is another public restroom. And then another view of the traditional zip line coming off the backside of the lighthouse. That looks like a lot of fun. And that's pretty much it for our walking tour here in Harvest Caye, Belize. I hope this video gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, happy cruising.